Hello beautiful, today I'm going to be sharing how I created this abstract nail art design using Madam Glam's summer neons. Madam Glam recently launched 6 new neon shades for the summer, and they were nice enough to send me 3 of them. First shade is this pretty cyan blue, and it's called Vitamin C, and it definitely puts you in the mind of the ocean. And the second shade is this deeper blue called Take Me to Mykonos. And lastly, we have this beautiful neon green, and it's called Amazonian Dream. Use my coupon code LOVEJMarie30 to receive 30% off your purchase, and I'll have it linked in the description box down below. So guys, I have been on Pinterest and I have been in love with the abstract nail art designs, like that swirl with the beautiful colors. So today I decided I'll recreate that. I'm using the same brush kit from my previous nail art video that I got from Amazon, and that will also be linked in the description box down below. Now, the one thing I love about abstract art is it is so easy to achieve. I'm just creating these uniquely different shapes, and there's really no right or wrong way to do it. You can just simply have fun with it and allow your creativity to flow. And guys, that is exactly what I did, and I'm so sorry I got a little out of focus in some of the clips. And this is the complete look. I am in love with this abstract design, and the bright neons just really sets it off. Definitely giving me that 70s retro vibe. Don't forget to like this video and also comment down below and let me know what you guys think about these nails. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and talk to you soon. Bye.